As you may recall, scientists talk to each other using exponents instead of the names of the actual columns. The number system, our number system, is based on 10. Every time you jump a column, you're multiplying by 10. So this would be just simply the number that's there. Anything times 0, the 10 to the 0 power, is that number. So if we had a 9 here or 3, it would be 9 or 3. When we jump a column, we're multiplying that by 10. So if it was 3 times 10, it would be 30. Times 10 would be 300. Times 10 would be 3,000, 30,000, 300,000, and so forth. So scientists speak to each other with exponents. The family house that was in the first position was the ones column, the tens, and the hundreds. And that's what these exponents represent: the ones column, the tens column, and the hundreds column. When we get into the thousands house, we have exponents 10 to the third, 10 to the fourth, and 10 to the fifth. In millions house, our exponents follow along: 10 to the sixth, 10 to the seventh, 10 to the eighth power. And if you actually did the math calculation on this, if you did 10 to the sixth power, 10 times 0, 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 times 6. So it would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. You would land your answer in this column. So our millions house, the billions house, is here with exponents 10 to the 9th, 10 to the 10th, and 10 to the 11th. You can see how that just goes on and on and on. What happens when we're in the decimal column? What happens when we cross that railroad track and get to the other side? I'll show you that in a moment.